Hello everybody, welcome back to your V.N.A orientation video. This video I'm going to show you how the automation system works. Primarily before the AI systems we'd use this. This is your traverse button, fork control button only. This one is your drive button, so forwards and backwards, that's all that does. These are independent, as I've shown you, your horn, your magnetic strip and steering console adjust. This black left button operates the forks. You need to use this one in conjunction with these simultaneous: fork up, fork traverse out, and forks rotate. But I don't need to use those with that on an automation. I just drive to the location that it tells me when I tell this machine where I'm going. So I've got to scan the pallet. There is no location on the screen. It's got no details of any pallet here. Once I step off and scan, he says famously, bear with me, bink. We have now, it's handy having that scanner instead of your RF gun, some details on the screen, and it's telling me BW01D1, and it's put onto the console BW01D1. Alright, so I'm going to use just the drive button and the fork control left hand button, and two buttons only, and this is what I can do on a semi-automated Jungheinrich V.N.A EKX516 model with a limit of 1.2 ton. Okay, let's put you there. I need a cameraman, but there aren't any videos on YouTube for V.N.As, which is why I'm doing this. So even though it's rudimentary, even though it's basic, it's real life. I've got 15 years experience. I'm an accredited trainer. Let's go. Green button first, and after, when I'm at the location, the left control traverse button. And this is what you can do with two buttons. You can't see. 1 minute. Yeah! Woo! Yeah, baby! Now I'm going to just adjust the camera angle. With a bit of luck, that should be capturing everything, so you can now see. 3 points of contact when mounting the cab. Here we go, two buttons. And the second button. Confirm location. There we go. Ta-da! manually picking up the pallet for stacking in the racking. Over to the automation, green button, and then the black left. Here we go again. It's warm today, it's got to be at least 24 degrees. I hope you noticed at the end there, I was able to lower the cab, lower the forks and drive forwards, all simultaneous, doing 3 operations: forward motion, cab down and forks down. Very, very good machine. One of the best. I'm not paid by Jungheinrich, I'm not endorsed by Jungheinrich. I've been doing this a long time and I very much like these machines, very much so. I would like to just validate who I am and what I'm doing, because I'm looking for employment. I'm being paid out of this present employment, so you've got my instructor accreditation by AITT, details there. I'm in-house at the moment. I would like to maybe consider going private, but I prefer to work for a company and be an in-house accredited trainer, refresher, etc. Okay, so screenshot that and you will see all of the MHE that I'm able to instruct and drive, refresh. And I thank you for your time. I hope you've enjoyed this. There will be more very narrow aisle V.N.A videos for you, as there is not very many on YouTube. Bless you, thank you, and ciao for now.